This is my setup, by the way. This is my current mouse. This is my current keyboard, 2 Stream Decks. That's my Go XLR. And I got a Pride mouse pad. Represent. We got this bad boy. G715 by Logitech. The Aurora Collection. So it is a light speed wireless keyboard. It's got RGB, so we can be gamers. And we got brown tactile clicky clicks. Are we ready? Are we ready? Drum roll! Oh, yo! Paper. Guys, it's the keyboard. It's very pretty, very nice. And 3, 2. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, isn't that stunning? Oh, that feels really nice. Get a little pan across. Got a little volume, like adjust thingy here. We got the buttons up the top. Oh, that's really nice. It also comes with, are you joking? Oh my God, are you joking? Y'all. I didn't think I got this. I didn't think it came with it. I didn't think it came with the cloud handrest. Yes! That makes me so happy. So we got the charging cable as well, which is also in a nice white. It's a USB-C, which is very good. But y'all, this is, how nice is this? I'm so happy about the cloud. Like, I think I'm more happy about the cloud. I'm not gonna lie. Next stop, G705, baby. Absolutely stunning. Oh, I did it upside down. There it is! Look, it tells you how to do the thing. Got a little mouse in a little paper bag. Voila! Oh, she's so pretty! Look at this. It's so shiny. Oh, and that feels really nice to glide. And it fits my hand really good. It's like super lightweight. I can just, don't drop it. Got little buttons on the side here. Oh, look at that. Thank you, Logitech, for sending through this amazing keyboard and mouse. And then we're gonna actually set it up because I wanna use it right now.